10. Nine.
Wow, this view is absolutely breathtaking. So majestic and powerful. I wish I could be in Terskol, Russia, even if it's a little risky.
Eight. Seven. Six.
Hope you enjoyed those little wonders. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing videos. See you next time.
Five.
What amazed me was not the snake, but this man's calmness and top-notch handling of the situation. Oh, I can't believe it.
Three.
Whoa! Oh! Amazing!
Instead of panicking and running away, they exclaimed, "Amazing," at the sky full of leaves like this. Oh, but it looks quite interesting.
Two.
I can't understand. They definitely knew there was going to be a landslide, but they still stood there calmly. Too dangerous.
Four.
My heart sank hearing her desperate scream as her car slowly disappeared into the filthy floodwaters. It was probably her most valuable possession. So heartbreaking.
One.
A blocked drainage channel caused severe flooding along Imperial Avenue in San Diego, triggering widespread inundation across the city. The scene was truly terrifying.